Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to change your Pinterest surname using your mobile device. Whether you want to refresh your profile or update your last name, this process is quick and easy. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping on your profile picture located at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page. Next, look for the option that says View Profile and tap on it. After that, find and tap the Edit Profile button. This is where you can make changes to your personal details. Now locate the surname field, tap on it, and you'll be able to enter your new desired last name. Simply delete the old surname and type in the new one you want to display on your profile. Once you've entered your new surname, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top or bottom of the screen, and tap it to confirm your update. That's it. Your Pinterest surname has been successfully changed on your mobile device. The update should reflect immediately on your profile, giving your account a fresh new look. Remember, keeping your profile information current helps your followers recognize you easily and keeps your Pinterest presence professional and personalized. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated Pinterest profile.